What's up everyone, Bearded Clark from Predator Gaming here, and today we have something rather special. The Predator Triton 900, our most powerful decked out Triton from the entire family. Now, at first glance, this might look like your standard 17-inch gaming laptop, apart from these two hinges here on the side, and that's where the 900 stands out, in that you can adjust the screen to fit your needs. So while you could use it in the standard laptop mode like so, you can also push the screen out to go elevated, flat, or one of my favorite is the reverse for a more TV-like experience. The point is, the choice is up to you. You pick the mode that fits you best. So with an adjustable screen, it's obvious that the screen is an important component of the laptop. So if you want to get more personal and leave out the mouse entirely, you can. The display itself uses a 4K UHD IPS panel, so colors are bright. And with NVIDIA G-Sync, which works by syncing your GPU's frame rate to the refresh of the display, gameplay is fluid and tear-free. So by now you're probably thinking, well, 4K is great and all, but lots of pixels means that'll make it a bit of a performance hog. And in this, you'd be right. So the goal here is playing at 4K at a stable frame rate, a goal which the Triton 900 easily achieves. It does this through four main factors: the 6-core 8th gen Intel Core i7-8750H processor, GeForce RTX 2080 GPU, up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, and up to 1 TB of speedy M.2 NVMe PCIe in RAID 0. So max out your settings in game, render a video of some recent gameplay on the side, or do some Unity work. This laptop is pretty much built to handle anything you throw at it. We have a motto at Predator: cooling comes first. Like the 500 and 700 before it, the Triton 900 keeps things cool with two of our latest Aeroblade 3D fans. These fans are quite unique in that we took a bionic approach to them, with inspiration coming from silent owl flight mechanics. The thermal solution provides superior cooling while reducing overall noise. To top it off, you have intakes along the top and bottom that make maintaining a constant cool, even under heavy loads, easy. Apart from the display and what's inside, what else can you do with it? First up, the ports. In short, you're all set. USB 3.1, USB-C, Thunderbolt 3, DisplayPort, and more. However, there is one thing in particular I did want to mention, which is the Xbox wireless dongle. So if you're like me, you might use a gamepad depending on the game. The dongle is also internal, so you won't need to carry any extra cables around, and there won't be anything jutting out of the USB port. Which brings us to the keyboard. The bright, beautiful RGB keyboard with its tactile low-profile mechanical switches, individual RGB backlights, a switchable numpad and trackpad, and the inclusion of two fairly important keys, Turbo and Predator Sense. Hitting the Predator Sense key opens up our utility app, while tapping Turbo, being somewhat self-explanatory, overclocks your GPU. In addition to the overclocking, you can manage profiles, lighting, fan speeds, and other functions through the app as well. All in all, this is the Predator Triton 900 in a nutshell. So from all of us here at Predator, good game.